Hey, fourth grade, Mr. Limburger here, and you're going to be starting this really groovy lava lamp project. You're going to be talking about using geometric shapes as the base and the top, and some organic freeform shapes as the lava inside of the lava lamp. Everybody will have a nice bright yellow lava lamp, but your lava inside can be any neon color paper that I have. So have fun with this and enjoy it, and I'll see you real soon. To start this project, we're going to take a big piece of paper and we're going to add some textures to the back of the paper. Well, not to the back, but to the front of the paper. It's for the background. So we got lots of different texture plates here. You can choose one or two, however many you like. I'm going to use the crayons that don't have any paper. Choose the one I like. Put the texture plate behind the paper. Decide which side I want. If you don't like it, you can always flip over to the other side, as you see here. Don't like the way this texture looked at first, so didn't seem to work out, so I stopped. Turned my paper over, turned my texture over, and I'm going to try it again. And this one you'll see looks a little bit better. You can see a little bit more of the texture there. And that's something you'll think about. If you have a dark purple or dark blue paper, you're probably going to use darker colors to show up on your paper, not lighter colors. Yellows and greens may not show up on a purple or blue paper. Okay, make sure that crayon is being pressed down nice and hard so your colors come through very good. So you can see that pink, that green there really does look nice on there. Adding the texture into the background of your paper. So you want to fill up your paper with some nice color, some nice texture. Make it look really good for your lava lamp, which is what we're going to be creating today. Now the reason why we're creating a lava lamp is sort of a pop art type of style of artwork. And pop art is popular art. So anything that's very popular, like right now you might see Fortnite or Roblox or Nike shoes or Air Jordans, things that are popular is a pop art. So we're doing a lava lamp. Lava lamps were kind of popular, and they were very popular back in the 70s and the 60s. So that's when they all became very famous. So we're going to do one today. So I got my texture finished, and now I'm ready to start creating my lava lamp. To start the lava lamp, you're going to get a piece of gray paper. It's got your base and the top. You want the yellow paper for your lava lamp, and you want to choose a color of lava to put inside the lava lamp. So we're going to cut these out. Very simple. You want to try to keep the black lines on your tracing. Those help you have your work a little neater, a little bit nicer. So cut right beside the black lines. Don't cut those off. And don't cut your lava lamp base in half. You want to stay whole there. And that is a geometric form there. Those are two trapezoids connected together. And your top is like a trapezoid also, or a cylinder. You see the round top. Because when you're thinking about your lava lamp, you're thinking about two different types of shapes. We're thinking about geometric shapes and freeform shapes. And we'll work on the freeform shapes in a little bit when we're making the lava for our lava lamp. So now this part is very important. We're going to be gluing the base and the top of our lava lamp to the yellow paper to figure out where our lava lamp works. Now I'm trying to see if this works, and it does. So I'm going to fold my paper in half, place the bottom of my lava lamp in the middle of that crease. I'm going to add some glue to my lava base, just at the top of the base there. Place it right in the middle of that crease. And then I'm going to take the top cap, put a little glue. Now I put a little too much glue, and you're going to see my lava lamp top is going to stick to the table. Now I'm going to go up that crease to the top of the paper and stick it down. And you'll see several times my lava lamp top keeps getting stuck. Because you just want to put a little glue there, not a lot. Just right there on the bottom of it. Make sure it sticks. So now it's time to create the edges of the lava lamp. Now you can use a ruler or a piece of paper if your ruler's not long enough. Match up the edge of the top of the lamp and the bottom of the lamp. Use your pencil and draw that diagonal line from one to the other. Do the same thing for the other side. Match up the edges, top and bottom, and draw that pencil line down. So you're making the edges of the lava lamp. So it looks like a big cone without the point on top. And that's what a lava lamp shape looks like. You see mine's got stuck again. So now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut along the edges of the pencil lines to cut out my lava lamp. And I can cut off any of that little excess yellow paper there. You see that's fine, looks good. And when I come down to the bottom there, I'm just gonna trim off around the edge of the lava lamp again, not worrying about trying to cut any more off the back. So now I have my lava lamp. It's glowing right now, bright yellow. We'll press down my crease. I'm going to add more glue to the back of my lava lamp base, my lava lamp, and the top of my lava lamp. Make sure you're gluing along the outside edge. Be careful not to tear your paper. Put plenty of glue. And you'll put your lava lamp towards the bottom of your paper. Make sure it's in the center. Press it down. Turn it over on the back. Massage the back of your paper. Make sure it's stuck really well. The heat of your hands, remember, dries that glue and makes it stick to the papers. So now I'm going to turn it back over. I'm going to choose a piece of neon colored paper. Now I've got some neon colors over there. You can choose any color you wish. And what you're going to do is you're going to think about organic shapes. Now an organic shape is like a puddle, a raindrop, a splash, a splatter. Think about that being hot lava. It's inside that jar and it's going to slowly bubble up. You see, I only need really half of my paper there, so I folded it and I'm going to tear it there. So I'm only using half, and you might want to do that. You can share with a neighbor or put your scrap back over on the scrap pile. So think about kind of like organic shapes, like bubbles, splatters, drips, and draw those on your paper. You probably want to draw more than you need. Then you can decide which ones you want and which ones you don't want. So it's better to have more and not enough. And when you do an organic shape, no sharp points, no straight lines. They all need to be sort of free form and flowing. So they're like puddles and raindrops and splashes and splatters. So now I'm going to cut out some of those there. Getting ready for my lava for my lamp. So I'm cutting out carefully. And I'm going to stop there and I'll come back in a few minutes. As you can see, I did not use all the ones that I drew, so now I'm ready to glue mine down. Putting your larger ones at the bottom and working your way up your lava lamp. Now you don't want them to overlap. You just kind of want them floating around in that yellow liquid, those bright neon colors. Now under a black light, these would glow very brightly. So I'll rub on the back side to make sure everything's nice and stuck. It's not going to fall off. Now we're going to use some oil pastels, black and white. And we're going to be adding shadows and highlights to our lava lamp base and top. So first, put some black on one side, white on the other side. So you got to decide which side's going to have the shadow, which side's going to have the highlight. And you see here, I'm going to do it on this one too. Along the top and the bottom of it. The white goes on the other side. Make sure they match up top and bottom. And that's just adding your highlight because the lava lamp base and the top is made from metal, so you want it to be shiny and bright. Now I'm going to take some colors from my oil pastels, match it up with my neon colors, and I'm going to put those on there to make my lava look a little shadowed too with some highlights. So I'm using some yellow, some greens, and some whites. And I'm going to think about the edge of my lava lamp, so I got me some yellow there. Pull along the edge. I know you can't see it on this one, but it makes like your lava lamp is glowing. Add a little white to my lava lamp one side. And then I'm going to add a table with my black, put a shadow underneath my lava lamp. And there we go. We got us a lava lamp ready for any groovy bedroom.